Hi guys, it's Tony. I'm in the potting shed. Today we're looking at Wilko's medium hanging basket chain. Now I'm putting a couple of these on here because you'll notice over time a lot of these become rusty and they don't look very nice. So I'm going to show you how to take this off and replace it with this one. Now unfortunately this is made in China, which sucks. But it's got a maximum of 5 kilos. Okay, so it doesn't say anything much else about it. It just says what was it say? It doesn't even say it's steel or anything like that. Anyway, so first thing we're going to need to do is to take off the old chain, and that's easily done by just getting some long nose pliers. Now you guys might have other ways of doing it, but you'll just see here there's a little hook. All we're doing is prising that back just so we can get the old chain off. You see it there? Alright, so that's one down. Okay, I did one earlier on. It's the same again. We prise that bit back and that's the chain off. So now we're going to be replacing it with a new one. Let's just pull this off. Alright. So inside you've just got a standard chain. It looks a lot nicer, doesn't it? You compare that one to that one. I mean, that's been out. I think I even painted that, but I mean, it's gone now. And the problem is it will snap. Right, so let's look at the 3 corner points. You've got 1, you've got 2, and you've got 3. So what we need to do is make sure that they're evenly placed so that the basket is straight when you're hanging it up. In this case, it's just a simple case. What we've got here is, that just pins in like so. Alright, then we turn the basket around. Make sure that you don't tangle this bit. I'm sure you guys know, it's self-explanatory. Sometimes they just hook under the bottom like that. Alright. And again, at the back. So, there you go. So it should hang more or less like that. But we're going to do another one in all, and we'll crack on with that. So a new chain should look something like that. It should hang like that. So all we've got to do now is put some flowers in there and hang them up. Alright guys, so they look a lot better. The chains finish off the baskets. I mean, these are old baskets, but it just makes it look a lot tidier. It brightens up your door. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Catch you later. Bye for now.